Matapos ang controversial screenshot post ni Ellen Adarna tungkol sa pambabae ni Derek Ramsey, isa-isa pa ring sinagot ni Ellen ang tanong ng kanyang mga followers sa Instagram. Ilan dito kung totoong naghiwalay na sila ni Derek, bakit idininay niya ito noon sa post ni Shangaza at inamin niya rin na sa bahay pa rin nila Derek siya tumutuloy sa kasalukuyan. Nire-renovate pa raw ang bahay niya na paglilipatan nilang mag-iina. Inamin din ni Ellen na hindi niya ipinaalam kay Derek ang mga inilabas niyang screenshots, kaya malamang daw ay ngayon pa lang din ito. Malalaman ni Derek, ayon pa kay Ellen, na usapan na nila ni Derek na wag muna ito uuwi ng bahay nila hanggat hindi pa sila nakakalipat mag-iina, at ang dahilan kung bakit wala si Derek sa birthday ng anak nila na si Lily. Kung panloloko ang mga pasabog ni Ellen kay Derek, ay kabaliktaran naman ito sa mga naging pahayag ng aktres sa kanyang ex na si John Lloyd Cruz, ayon kay Ellen responsable at anes si Lloydie. Bagamat may mga kakulangan ito bilang tao, ay good provider naman ito sa kanilang anak at sinabi pa niyang mabuting ama si John Lloyd sa anak nila na si Elias.
Dai, about that Shangaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about kung sa itong billionaire, nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Well, why? Diba? Well, ba't mo minamaliit? If we're gonna talk about billionaire kanang vibes ka to si J. Alday, mas nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied, he denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it is true. With JL Day, wala talaga akong masabi. I have nothing but good things to say about him, you know. I mean, we had our differences in the past, but I respect him because he is a very good provider. He is honest and he is a very present father. Like, take note, nung naghiwalay kami ni JL, that was before Elias turned 1 year old. Present siya. So, yun. Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated and kailangan naman palayasin niya pag nandito yung anak niya sa akin, diba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon and I can't wait to move out. No, I did not confront him about this. He just found out here. I'm sure if he saw this, he found out here. Never talked to him about it.
You gotta be kidding me.
I think the screenshots are enough. And if he still lies about it, oh my God, ginaslight na nga ako. And don't tell me he's gonna gaslight the whole world. The screenshots are there, the receipts are there. Please. Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice. Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago. But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place. Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So receive me until my place is done. And there.
What's going on?
He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go. He was playing frisbee or golf somewhere. Yeah, so important, right? Yeah, so there, he was sent an invite and just 2 of his family went, his sister and his nephew. That's it. He had a choice. We all have a choice. No one put a gun in his head and told him not to go. Yeah.